Hello everyone, thank you for having me. My name is Famiha and I'm going to say about some interesting technology news. Let's go into it. First, we're going to see about artificial eyes to look the future. Bionic eyes have been mainstay of science fiction for decades, but now real world research is being to catch up with our sighted storytellers. A raft of technology is coming to market that restores sight to people with different kinds of vision impairment. In January 2021, Israel surgeons implanted the world's first artificial cornea into the bilaterally blind 78-year-old man. When his bandages were removed, the patient could read and recognize family members immediately. Second, we're gonna see about airports for drones and flying taxis. Urban Airports has chosen to build its first Air One transport hub for autonomous delivery drones, electric flyer, and cars to next the UK. The futuristic facility will launch later this year. It will support delivery drone and air taxi technology and eventually transport cargo and people across cities. And the third, we're going to see about sweat powered smartwatches. Technology has always been immediately linked to human body. The next generation of electronic device might not just be near our bodies, they could power them. By using these bodies need to burn 2000 and 2500 calories per day, which is convenient enough to power a modestly used smartphone. The fourth, we're going to see about internet for everyone. Google's project Lawn aims to provide internet access to everyone on the planet through a network of balloons traveling on the edges of space. These helium filled balloons are 15 meters in diameter and run on solar power. They drift to the stratosphere connecting to the ground station on Earth. Via antennae, technicians can help air traffic control can keep track of their location via GPS. And the fourth we're going to see about heart monitoring t-shirt. The heart monitoring t-shirt is comfortable vision of an ECG or electrocardiogram machine. Technology has made everything smart from phones to watches and now even clothes. So if you are wearing this t-shirt, you can identify the problems in your body leading to chest pain. This garment contains direct integrated or attached to a fabric that can receive signals from your body. The entire system works by battery which can be charged wireless. And the fifth, we're going to see about drone forest fire sound. Fires can be very hazardous and hard to put out. Recently, two US engineering students have been prototyping a way to put out fires with sound. This is a non-destruction and cautious way to extinguish blazes. Heretofore, sound waves can strike oxygen and fire through a pressure from their vibration. This particular frequency of sound wave works to distinguish the fire through a pressure from their vibration. This particular frequency of sound wave works to distinguish the flame molecules from the surrounding oxygen, effectively starving the fire and snuffing out the flame. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu. This is M. Shahin from 3rd BCA. I'm gonna tell about some technical news, and the news is smartwatch users on existing Wear OS getting Google Pay message updates. Smartwatch users on Wear OS 2 are also getting new experiences on apps including Calm, Period Tracker, Spotify, and Strava. Highlights: Google has announced updates coming to Wear OS 2. Google Pay or Wear OS is expanding to 16 new countries. Wear OS 3 is getting updated Google Maps and YouTube Music apps. One of the major changes that Google is bringing to users on Wear OS 2 is a revamped design of Google Pay. The update brings larger credit card images to let users easily look at the cards stored in their wallet and swipe through them to find the appropriate while making a wireless payment from their wrist. Google has also announced the expansion of Google Pay support on Wear OS to 16 countries that include Belgium, Brazil, China, Republic, Denmark, Finland, Hong Kong, Ireland, New Zealand, Norway, Sweden, Taiwan, Ukraine, and United Arab Emirates. These countries have had Google Pay earlier as well, but not for the users with a Wear OS based smartwatches. Advantages of these smartwatches: finding a phone, key, or any device is easier. It is more often we forget where we left our phone or keys. It's a natural human tendency to forget things, but with the help of smartwatch, you can solve this matter very quickly. Most of them have this feature that helps to find your phone if you've been misplaced. You have to connect your phone or any device beforehand, and it is good to go in the time of emergency. This feature of a smartwatch saves your time smartly. There are the health benefits of smartwatches too. A good fitness tracker, even connected while doing activities. When you are running, jogging, cycling, swimming, you might want to see your messages or calls or even other social notifications. But it is not possible to keep your mobile phone while jogging or doing exercise, whereas the smartwatch helps you to wear it on your wrist and gives you all the updated notification from your phone when you connected them with your watch. You can use this watch even when while you are swimming because it is a waterproof up to 50 meters underwater, listening to a music. New watch faces every day. Unwa- Disadvantages of these smartwatches: limited battery life. Some smartwatches can be used for 1 to 2 days after a full of charge watches or something that you wear every day. If you forget to change it by the end of the day, you will have only one dead watch the next morning. Inaccurate data. Even though smartwatches can provide you with tons of data recording your exercise and fitness, many watches test shows that the data is not 100% accurate. Tiny screen. As we get a lot of notification every day, we might feel like everything is cluttered in a small space of watch display. Since it is a wristwatch, we cannot do much about this screen size. And it will also be of notification every day, we might feel like everything is cluttered in a small space of watch display. Since it is a wristwatch, we cannot do much about this screen size. And it will also be tough to watch movies because of the screen size. Don't use this feature if you have a eye problem. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity to share some technical news. Thank you so much.